So John, Sunsight Instruments had a release this week at CTIA about your firmware upgrades. Can you tell us about that upgrade and what exactly it does?
Sure, Jeff, I'd be happy to. We have a new firmware release. One of the things we're happy to say is we have a much easier interface with the tool. You can get right in there, you can create your antenna profiles, print your reports, take your captures, whatever you need to do. The good thing is we have now added optional fields like antenna serial number, RF head serial number. In with these optional fields, you can actually change this data after the capture. So it is editable after the capture, whereas initially it was not. So this was a big request from a lot of our customers, and we now have that capability. We also have faster capture times, faster data writing speeds, and also a faster connect time, whether you're using the Wi-Fi or you're using the direct connect with the RJ45 for our users.
So tell us a little about the history of the company.
The company was founded about 5 or 6 years ago. A couple of telecom guys, Robert and myself, both had been in operations in RF engineering. We had a lot of problems doing our optimization and performance enhancements to our networks, and one thing we found was that the antennas did not match our RF design. So in doing that, we actually propositioned some retired NASA engineers to help us out with possibly an idea or a solution for this, and they came up with our sensor product, which is actually patented, uses a sun to actually get azimuth, very inexpensive, very economical, no moving parts. Also, we have accelerometers in there to do tilt and roll. So then the next thought was, all right, we needed something to do this real time. So we actually came up with a GPS alignment tool. We actually have a side mount, a top mount. We're very big on data integrity. So that's why our mounting system is very, very cohesive. And what we want to do is be able to capture that data for our general contractors so they can actually give these reports to the carriers of the world, and they know that the work was done right the first time. It eliminates any rework, and it also eliminates, it helps these general contractors not lose revenue. So that opportunity cost of having to go back and do rework instead of building a new site is huge for them, and also the carriers that are having them do these big build-outs for LTE. So they're not going back and doing rework, they're building new sites for these guys. So that's kind of what we want to do. So
thanks for your time.
Thank you, Jeff.